Real quick video here. Last year I took a video of using a Rubbermaid stock tank, 300 gallon, cleaning it out. I put it to bed with some onion bulbs in it, and then I covered it in wood chips and left it for the winter. It is now the 7th of May, so we're a week into May, and I wanted to take a quick shot for you. Let me get down here so you can see. Look at that. All those onions, pretty far up, looking great. Just goes to show, no reason. Get close here, look at that, woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Turn it back. No reason why you can't grow the onions that you'll need in a 30-gallon tank. This is for 2 people. This is enough onions to take care of us, because we don't eat that many onions, but I suppose if you ate a lot of onions you would need maybe 2 beds. But this goes to show what you can plant in a small space. Also, I probably could have put these closer together. There's quite a bit of space between each one, but I wanted to allow for the bulbs to get nice and big. So I'm not going to extend this video and just ramble on. I did want to show you, however, what it looks like to grow onions in a 30-gallon Rubbermaid stock tank.